Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. We usually associate the sweetest floral fragrances with spring, but summer can be just as fragrant. One of the best plants to achieve this is the regal tuberose. Those who watch our regular videos already know that how many tuberose flowers we have in our summer garden. Usually in winter, this plant goes in dormancy period. But in today's video, I will tell you about how you can save this plant's bulb for the next season. Only in October, most of the flowers were not here, and in November, the plant has just become dull. Like all deciduous bulbs, tuberoses also have a dormant period. Since they naturally prefer warm climates, the winter chill can damage tuberoses. If temperatures drop below 5 degrees Celsius, you will need to lift them and store them, and overly wet soils can also cause the rhizomes to rot. First method my mom is going to use is that she will cut all the greeny leaves of this plant and trim them into shorter pieces. Oh, and if you choose to lift your tuberoses, wait until the foliage has yellowed and died down. Normally, people save their plants by digging them up, shaking all the excess soil off the roots, cutting off the dead foliage and leaving them dry for a week or two. Then easily storing them in a well-ventilated container. But my mom does this all in a different way. My mom simply just trims all the leaves of the plants, and the plants that have root bound, my mom just removes the bulb of the plant. As we live in an urban life, there is a shortage of soil here. Also, there is a shortage of space. For this, my mom is going to reuse some soils and pots for winter gardening. As you can see, a lot of pots are broken because of root bound. But before that, do you know there are big advantages of tuberoses in your garden? First of all is that they are very easy to grow. Even beginner gardens will have no difficulty growing them. And their gorgeously scented flowers really lift your mood. Not even that, you can rebloom them year to year, and every time the tuberose gets bigger and bigger. And the flowers are so pretty that would be worth growing even if they weren't scented. Instead of fixing the root bound right now, my mom is going to place them under a big plant in a big pot. It not only helps as a mulching for the plant, but also it will get a lot of nutrition from the original plant itself. And some plants are only kept in pots. So like this, you can take care of your plants until winter season. Keep in mind that there is no need of giving overwatering, and any kind of fertilizer is not needed for the plant. They'll just like to sleep for the winter period. As soon as the last frosts have passed, it's time to start planting again. And surely we will upload one video on how you can take care of your plants in that time. But for now, this is the end for the video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.